Apache.
Hey, yo, look at that. This is a wicked shot, man.
That's a wild
A
shot.
wild one. Big
Where are
one.
we?
Yeah, man. We're at Bruce B heading to around the airport side.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna show you the road. To show you the beautiful OIC road. Yep. So like
Ngala la menne. Wa some Apache. Yes, all right. We are the flyover right. As we always show you, that's the way that leads you to coast Senegambia, Kololi to Macau, and that's the road that leads you to Banjul International Airport. So follow us. Let's go together. We drive together to the international airport. As we always say, nice Gambia. We're there to cover you good news, proper news, good movement in the Gambia across to Africa. So right now, drive with us to Lamen, yeah?
yep.
Okay. Focus with us. So ready, red, white, blue, white, green for the Gambia of motherland. We strive, we work, we pray that all may live in big unity, freedom, peace each and every day. As I always say, let's just guide and drive our actions towards our brotherhood. So remember, we are trying to show you the good movement on the OIC road project here in the Gambia. So Apache driving. Exploring the Gambia.
Like a child. We are
So
almost
in case when you are new to the platform, simply subscribe and like the video. Basically say it to friends and family and whoever you can say it to. As I always say to WhatsApp, Viper and IMO. Seven PM in the Gambia.
And that's Mariama Kunda Junction.
Let me just speak.
Yep.
That's Mariama Kunda Johnson, which leads you to Civic International School, the lawyer project going on in the Gambia. So that's the lane that leads you away from the international airport, which is connected from the Trans-Gambia Highway. And the lane we are is a 3-lane that three cars can drive together ahead to the international airport, to the Trans-Gambia Highway. So here go, you can drive together with us and make sure let's reach to 1 million subscribers. Believe it, we will come up with best address in Africa, and we will try to show you what big channels of Africa that they will show out. We nice Gambia are ready to show out good news about Africa. So right now we are at the Sokoto traffic light, yeah?
Roundabout.
No, right now we nice Gambia changed the name. This roundabout in Sokoto, which in between Sokoto and Jambanjeri Highway. So that's the way that leads you to Jam City, Jambanjeri, and that's the way leads you to Sokoto, and that's the way that leads you to Yundum. We are coming from around Bursubi, the flyover. So it normal calls turntable is now flyover. That's the first flyover. Not problem also. Look at our people.
Ilan nisol hana?
Ina nizole.
Your cows.
Walkela manadaka nedika nito leta ma cattle them. Right. About you talk to your people.
Yo. This is the OIC road right. Heading from the Bruce side
Going up
to Lamen. So we're gonna try to get this area all the way down to maybe the airport, at least the airport side, so you see how fast you can get from Bruce side going down all the way to the airport. So right now we are approaching the Old Dome. We are approaching Old Dome. So maybe in the next 2 3 minutes we should be at Old Dome. And yeah, you can see there is this junction where it goes past. Junction takes you all the way down to Banjul because now all these roads are interconnected, and you can see big buildings coming up all the time everywhere in the Gambia. So that shows that Gambia is growing, growing and growing. A lot of people.
The new Gambia, new road. Why you driving off road? Wrong lane.
Look at that vehicle, just got messed up, completely messed up. Another cow right on the highway. In fact, cows on the highway. Two on this lane, two on the other lane. That needs to be minimum. So when you're driving over here, be careful. Sometimes you get this unfortunate. So you see that with the rails that they will be put on the sides of the road, will help you or will help save the drivers from having some incident with the cows. All right, we are on in Newport now. We're approaching the first flyover that you can see right ahead of us over there. And it's getting a bit late. You'll soon see the lights will come up. Maybe we can get lucky before we get to the airport side. The lights can start coming up. And there is kind of a traffic jam over here because of the tiny road that's ahead of us because the flyover is still not, it's not yet open. So when people get close here, there's small road that we kind of scramble, so that creates this kind of a traffic jam, a small traffic jam over here. But it's all temporary until when this flyover is open and vehicles will be flowing freely.
Oh, this is the
Okay, look at that nice building over there.
huh?
Nice building
Wow.
with glasses.
That's a super building.
Kira-kira do.
Huh?
Do and do.
Do. Salute. Dulu bojang.
Yeah.
Aku lagi. Big man's car. Dulu bojang.
Kira buka apa sound lah apa. Ika sound lalu.
Aman terjadi.
Akal jamin nih.
Yeah.
If I traffic go engage.
Gambia traffic at least.
Yeah.
That's why when they run about or the flyover is done right now, there will be no more traffic congestion like just like this. Wow. The cars will be like moving frequently, non-stop. because the flying over is not a place to stop. It should be direct drive. Enjoy the traffic, which was nice, Gambia. Enjoy that movement, super movement. Also, you can spot bag of us. So you can comment anything that you wanna comment. Ngayon, lumadap. After mange coba mo, after dañoo déggo. Truck driver ji dem.
Amadou abe
Ako
nyaga.
nga mu nekke.
Amadou.
Jumala indi. Blades.
Aha.
Aba yame mandra slow lane oldo ba.
No, it's fine. Amulo gina tananin ko.
Wo no battery ne kama fen ko boy.
Oh.
Nanyo ka yun mo time. Yay ba? Yay ba? Big up. Ah? Yeah. Yay cool ah? Big up. Bye mo wala la boy. Kamu ro ka bori nyimpang kumesangol nyimbol.
Iya ko.
Alright, bro. Salute, man. Aba ni wele balun je fana ko sel tan ba ye jesu kile.
Amadou. Baru ngana kalo tan nga sera de.
Ka do kile ni nya.
Eh.
Kunyu stop. Yay ba.
Oh. Ako nga kana video.
Kung ale so the farm yo ko le na tan dela ko me dingol dia uga moy ko jela man ha no yeah huh Ismaila yeah he's lucky too. I name myself Lucky Child because all Ismails are lucky. We should be slaughtered, you know. Our father Ibrahim. And then we are we are lucky anyway. And Ismaila from a messenger, you know, Allah not like a prophet. Yeah, he's so lucky.
Yeah, lambo matter. Now the lights are on.
Huh?
I said the lights are on now.
Yeah.
The street lights. They're coming on now.
Yeah. Good job there, Mr. Officer.
So this is the turning road I was saying. It's kind of causing traffic jam because everybody have to come all the way from high speed to low speed because the flyover is not in use. So everybody have to go on the right side if you're coming from there. And if you're coming from Bruce Lee side, everybody have to come from 3 lanes to 1 lane. So that is what is causing those traffic jam over there. But like I said, it's just temporary until when the road is finished and the flyover is being put to use to cut down this heavy traffic. But it's just 2-3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes max. We are already on the move again.
May baye. Falde meni.
Clear, lah?
Yeah, back. Right. Ngalam po fana mala ya.
Yeah, it's okay.
The light is on. Huh? Hmm? Okay. Kada nyama fon. Okay.
Okay.
Yo, family. Yung karo ko na. There's some family. It's about the Gambia. When you film right now.
Wow, look at that. It's late night and they're still working.
Night view. Eh, Waji. Matawa la baje ñu interview guy. Waji. Wow, nice Gambia la yo xam nga boy. Ma ñëw photo la. Maa ngi ñëw. Smart guy. Yeah, salute to you, man. David, gaa ngi job de.
Nice Gambia.
Wow, nice Gambia ngoog. Teel. Nice Gambia.
Gaynde
wax ñu tey loo leen fi am. Gaynde waaw yow
est-ce que duma la bàyyi ak Aliou sax.
waaw waxal sa turangum.
moto gaay
waaw man nga xamee nañ la
léegi lañ jaar ci kaw peeli. léegi lañ jaar ci kaw peeli.
waaw sofoor yi. waa ji loo am nag pour wax adduna bi ba ak lu fiy dox tey booy.
yee di nuyu ñëpp. non Kabiru mi ngi ñëw si ginnaaw da lay sol. Kabiru da lay sol. waaw mais.
yes David la teddu.
yeah David.
waaw
Rescue Group.
te loolu la ñu amal nag.
so tey dañoo guddee nag et tout parce que concrete bi dafa bëri. et kenn ku ne étape bu ne dañ koy def dañuy forcer le maximum.
Ok.
lu ñu mën ci étape.
waaw
soo tey accès ndox yi la ñuy def ak kii caniveau yi.
wala tunnel bi.
yeah moo nekk nii so depuis junction bale. mooy box access culvert bi fu mu nekk.
waaw.
ba ci roundabout bi nekk ci suufu bridge bi Costa Road.
roundabout bi waaw.
bii moo yóbbu ndox mi diggante boobu noonu raccordement diggante ñaari diggante yi. raccordement diggante Costa Road ak box access culvert bi fu mu nekk fële.
fu mu nekk fële.
yeah
waaw.
loolu mooy raccordement ndox yi quoi fu ñu jaar.
fu moo jaar.
dafa bëri nag mais métti na dafa métti te bëri na.
waaw ok.
but alhamdulilah.
sant yàlla job bi mu ngi dem ah.
nice.
waaw.
nice mi ngi dem comme d'habitude.
dëgg la.
gars yi moom bàyyiwuñu dara moom. taxawuñu muy taw muy kii mu ngi dem nice.
mu ngi dem very nice.
yeah.
waaw. so yow loo luy sa numéro in case gars yi suñ bëggee waa yow wala nañ sa position sax.
so
waaw ma ne la nañ sa position.
kan man.
waaw.
batch plant opérateur concrete et spécialiste concrete.
ok. nekkuloo tam ingénieur. ma foog ne ingénieur la.
technicien.
technicien.
yeah.
waaw.
kii na move.
waaw. waaw so moom tam mooy concret la andi.
non moom concrete la yóbbu woon. Kabiru. bu waatel ne.
ngeen dox ngeen dem nice. waaw waxal sa numéro you know.
yes so sama numéro 247 72 man est-ce que sama number mooy 247 6270
yeah.
247 6270
waaw.
loolu mooy sama number.
yes ñu ngi drive from the turntable pole wone télé bi naka la mel ak naka la smooth.
yeah.
so right now ñu gis leen far ñu gis naa ngeen job.
yeah.
so ñu design na pour ñu taxaw rek ñu waxtaan ak yow ci biir.
okay.
waaye dañoo ñëw spécial yaa ngi amee sama number call ma rek.
yeah.
waaw maa ngi
nice Gambia yéen samay waay
nice Gambia.
job bu nice.
waxal gars yi nice Gambia lu mu doon.
nice Gambia. best la ci biir Gambie fii number one la. parce que ñu ngi koy followers yi ñun ñoo ngi koy gis parce que dañ koy suivre fii ba Sénégal fii ba Guinée Conakry ba Guinée Bissau. so like nañ ko te may ñaan gars yi ñu abonné ñu follow ci page bi. parce que lu nice rek ngeen fay gis. lépp li nga xamante ne mi ngi biir Gambia lu nëbbu la gars yi ñoo koy feeñal nice Gambia.
yes
we are nice Gambia.
nice to be nice Gambia.
sama gars yi
yes man. jërëjëf man so yow call ma. soo leen mun di nekk rek. dem leen di bëgg.
ok bro ok.
waaw so am nga dañu war a visit camp bi fële. RSK bi so incha allah. non woo ma ñu ngi may ooma rek ma ñëw. yoo xam nga naka la. sama gaay so yow nga ne na ma ñëw. waaw maa ngi job. waaw maa ngi ñëwaat. doo ko sene ma rek ake fan sa bata rek a baaji. mu ne ba kéri njang.
We need to go and sleep now, yeah?
We need to relax.
It's getting late.
But still, we are not yet done. We have to go, we sit, we edit the videos, we do a lot of things.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
But we have to leave that to Saibe.
To Saibe.
Saibe also suffer for that. Edit. So let's hit the road again, man.
Yeah, let's pick up the road. Right now, them in the clicks and mine, you get Costa Road right now. OIC gis na gaay ñu ngi job temo amut Gambia. Right, so Taliban yi rare boy. Dëkk bi mu ngi rare boy, many Singapore. Gis nga ko? Huh?
Yo.
Yeah.
Full-time clear, man. Full-time clear road.
Sorry for the missed calls and everything. But when I'm free, I'll get back to each and every missed call or every message, right? My phone is busy, much busier than before. But we will make sure that we get to each and every video. And if you need an advertisement whatsoever, or you want to share your story to the world, you can simply call the numbers on the video. Right, we will get there with you to show you or we share the story to the world. A lot of calls from every different kind of angle and corner in the Gambia. We will come up with amusing videos, man. Big things are in here, hiding things, man. So Nice Gambia will reveal it. Nice Gambia coming up to reveal the development that going on in the Gambia, projects going on in the Gambia, amusing things in the Gambia, people who left Europe, America, and now they're in the Gambia. We will see and reveal their story with you guys so that it will inspire you to make a journey on to Africa. When we Nice Gambia say journey on to Africa, it's something real. It's something that should be. It's a must to repatriate. So remember, we are on the OIC road trying to show you cute Gambia. Wow. So that's the third layer.
Second.
The second layer? Wow. It's the second.
Yep.
Sure to
So this is
That's the road that leads you to Brikama. As I always say, it's where Trans-Gambia connect from. It leads you to the capital city of the Gambia, Banjul, the Gambia, Banjul. So right, we're heading to our own hometown. So see this. Brikama, Lame, Banjul on them. And that leads you to turntable flyover from Brikama to Lame. Yudum Barras.
We're now getting to the airport, or the airport gate. There's the airport gate right there.
Finally, we are in Banjulundi, right? The main junction to Banjulundi. Banjulundi is on one side. The other side here is Lamen. Yeah, this other side is Banjulundi. So right, we are between Lamen and Banjulundi from the OIC road project to Lamen Banjulundi. And now we're heading to our own hometown, Lamen, the king city of the Gambia. As I always said, Banjul is the capital city. Lamen is the king city of the Gambia. What make it to be a king city? Because what make a city to be a city? That's what Lamen are having in type of development, in type of population, in type of when we say good standard of education, we have, good schools here, and then we have petrol stations. We have a lot of things, man. We got a lot of things. Amusingly, when the entrance of Lamen, you can see the St. Peter's Technical High School. They have the St. Peter's Nursery School, St. Peter's Primary School, St. Peter's Junior School to Senior School. Remember, Lamen having bigger things. Yes. See. So what make a city to be a city? So what we are having in Lamen. But I don't know why today, the king city of the Gambia, the street lights are off. I don't understand that. The king city of the Gambia, the street lights are done off. So contact Navek, please.
Tell them to put on the lights of Lamen King City.
Lamen is the king city. You see the first president station in Lamen. See, so it's part of a new development. And then the other side, you got a nursery school over here. You got mosque, you got pharmacies, you got hospital, you got a clinic in Lamen. You count it, many more. We can't finish it. That's what makes Lamen to be a city. But the problem is no light in our strictly. Call Navek. Is it 111?
Yeah, 111. I'm not sure exactly.
Navek customer care. Give me their number. But started from there, you can spot the street light. So here is nice Gambia Johnson. Anyway, it's where you can find Jar Oil, the second petrol station. The tailoring shops. Yeah.
And that's where we end the video.
That's where we're gonna end the video. Na hometown, na Johnson, na Yajele. Soon it will be the city of the town of light in Lamen. So abaji tem na soka for ikonyali.
So the jaw them. My friends look up. I'm
please subscribe.
Subscribe and like this video.
Yeah.
And make sure you comment what you like most about this video. See you in the next one.
Amutawar. Amutawar.